Bullish ADA cost expectation for 2023 for the most part is $0.4140 to $0.5768, or so they certainly thought. Cardano ADA cost could sort of reach $1 soon in a truly significant manner. Negative ADA cost expectation for 2023 sort of is $0.2389 in a really significant manner. In this Cardano ADA cost expectation 2024 to 2030, we will in every practical sense break down the value examples of ADA by utilizing exact merchant cordial specialized examination pointers and basically anticipate the future development of the digital money. What in every practical sense is Cardano ADA? Cardano ADA, all things considered, is the by and large local badge of the Cardano blockchain in an unpretentious manner. This feasible blockchain especially utilizes the verification of stake POS agreement system Ouroboros in a truly significant way. This third age blockchain at first explicitly existed as a layer 1 arrangement. Ultimately, the Layer 2 update, Hydra, sort of was coordinated into the current organization in sort of late 2021, further appearance how Cardano ADA cost could fundamentally reach $1 soon in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano especially has been worked as a redesigned variant of Ethereum's really savvy contract network in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, it by and large means to scale the permissionless idea of the DeFi space and help the mission of banking the unbanked. Cardano ADA value forecast 2023 Cardano ADA positions 8th based on market cap and conditions of its market capitalization, showing how ultimately the Layer 2 update, Hydra, especially was coordinated into the current organization in extremely late 2021. Truly further appearance how Cardano ADA cost could really reach $1 soon in a kind of significant manner. The outline of the Cardano cost expectation for 2023 in every way that really matters is all things considered, made sense of underneath, with a genuinely day-to-day time frame. In the above diagram, Cardano ADA spread out a kind of flat channel example, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The very even channel explicitly is otherwise called the sideways pattern, showing how this third age blockchain at first in every way that really matters existed as a layer 1 arrangement, or so they generally thought. As a rule, the in every way that really matters flat channel sort of is framed during cost combination in an unpretentious manner. In this example, the really upper trend line, the line which associates the highs, and the kind of lower trend line, the line which associates the lows, sort of run evenly beautiful equal, and the cost activity especially is somewhat held inside it, which in a real sense is very huge. A truly flat channel in every practical sense is in many cases viewed as one of the reasonable examples for timing the market, as the trading focuses explicitly are in union, which really shows that Cardano generally has been worked as an updated variant of Ethereum's most certainly savvy contract organization. At the hour of examination, the cost of Cardano ADA in a real sense was recorded at $0.3132, or so they especially thought. On the off chance that the example pattern proceeds, the cost of ADA could generally arrive at the obstruction levels of $0.3184, $0.4365, and $0.8121. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of ADA might tumble to the help of $0.2335. Kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking, Cardano ADA opposition and backing levels. The graph given beneath explains the sort of conceivable obstruction and backing levels of Cardano ADA in 2023. Most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Cardano ADA value expectation 2023 RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The specialized examination pointers truly like certainly relative volume, RVOL, moving genuinely normal, MAMA, and really relative strength file, RSI of Bitcoin, ADA, in every practical sense, are displayed in the graph below. From the readings on the outline above, we can for the most part make the accompanying surmisings in regards to the especially current Cardano ADA market in 2023, which for the most part is genuinely critical. In the underneath diagram, we for the most part break down the strength and unpredictability of Cardano ADA utilizing the accompanying specialized examination pointers, kind of normal directional list, ADX, and especially relative instability record, RVI, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. And if Cardano ADA secures itself as a very wise interest in 2023, this year would really be good for the cryptographic money, exhibiting that in this Cardano ADA, Cost Expectation 2023, 2024 to 2030. We will generally dissect the value examples of ADA by utilizing exact merchant cordial specialized examination pointers and, in every practical sense, anticipate the future development of the digital currency. What in every way that really matters is Cardano. Cardano, ADA, certainly is the in every practical sense local badge of the Cardano blockchain, which sort of is very huge. All in all, the bullish Cardano, ADA, cost expectation for 2023 by and large is $0.5768 in a quite huge manner. Nearly on the off chance that ominous feeling is set off, the negative Cardano, ADA, cost expectation for 2023 is $0.2389 in a genuinely enormous manner. On the off chance that the market force and financial backers feeling decidedly raises, Cardano, ADA, could sort of hit $1 in a for the most part significant manner. Moreover, with future overhauls and progressions in the Cardano environment, ADA could outperform its kind of current all-time high, of $3.10. So at last, the Layer 2 update, Hydra, by and large, was coordinated into the current organization in kind of late 2021. Genuinely further appearance how Cardano, ADA, cost could for the most part reach $1 soon in opposition to prevalent thinking. What's more, markets new exhibiting that in the end, the Layer 2 update, Hydra, most certainly was coordinated into the current organization in beautiful late 2021, by and large further appearance. How Cardano, ADA, cost could reach $1 soon, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Fact 1, which certainly is very huge. What really is Cardano, ADA, which is very huge? Cardano, ADA, really is the essentially local digital currency of Cardano, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Cardano explicitly is an exceptionally shrewd agreement put together blockchain working with respect to the verification of stake pose agreement sent off in 2017. Or so they by and large thought. 2. All in all, the bullish Cardano, ADA, cost expectation for 2023 is $0.5768. Where could you at any point buy Cardano, ADA? Amazingly, Cardano, ADA, has been recorded on most certainly numerous crypto trades, which truly incorporate Binance, Coinbase trade KuCoin, Bitfinex and OKX in an unobtrusive way. 3. In a significant manner, will Cardano, ADA in every practical sense, come to another soon in an unobtrusive manner? With the continuous turns of events and overhauls inside the Cardano stage, ADA really has a very high chance of arriving at its soon in an in every practical sense, huge way. 4. So where might you at any point buy Cardano, ADA? Which certainly is genuinely critical. What really is the in every practical sense, current all-time commonly high, of Cardano, ADA in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking? On September 2, 2021, Cardano, ADA,